Jesse, let us begin with regression.
Sure, Harry.
What is regression analysis?
Regression analysis is a statistical method used to examine the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. It is crucial for predictive modeling, allowing us to understand how the dependent variable changes as the independent variables vary.
Key concepts here are regression analysis, statistical methods. Clearly state the definition and highlight its predictive power. Common mistakes candidates make here are overlooking the assumptions behind regression models. Can you explain the difference between linear and logistic regression?
Linear regression predicts a continuous outcome, while logistic regression is used for binary outcomes. Linear outputs are unbounded, whereas logistic outputs are limited to probabilities between 0 and 1, making them suitable for classification tasks.
Key concepts here are linear regression, logistic regression. Highlight the nature of outcomes for both types. Common mistakes candidates make here are confusing the type of dependent variable. What are common assumptions of linear regression?
Key assumptions include linearity, independence of errors, homoscedasticity, and normality of residuals. Violating these can bias results and reduce predictive accuracy, making it vital to assess these assumptions in practice.
Key concepts here are assumptions of regression, model validation. Discuss implications of violating assumptions. Common mistakes candidates make here are ignoring outlier influence. What is multicollinearity and why is it a problem?
Multicollinearity refers to the correlation between independent variables, which can distort coefficient estimates and inflate standard errors. This reduces model interpretability and makes it difficult to determine the effect of individual predictors.
Key concepts here are multicollinearity, regression challenges. Connect multicollinearity to predictive accuracy. Common mistakes candidates make here are assuming all correlated predictors are equally influential. What is cross-validation and its importance in regression?
Cross-validation is a technique to assess how the results of a statistical analysis will generalize to an independent dataset. It's crucial for avoiding overfitting, ensuring the model works well on unseen data, thus validating its effectiveness.
Key concepts here are cross-validation, model assessment. Highlight different types of cross-validation. Common mistakes candidates make here are neglecting to shuffle data before splitting. Write a Python function to perform linear regression.
Sure, we'll use the libraries NumPy and scikit-learn. We start by importing necessary modules, then fit a linear regression model to our data. The function will return the model's parameters and predictions.
Key concepts here are linear regression implementation, model fitting, ensure proper data preprocessing is covered. Common mistakes candidates make here are not splitting the dataset into train and test. Implement ridge regression in Python.
Ridge regression helps manage multicollinearity, while applied similarly to linear regression but with a penalty term. It's often useful when dealing with high-dimensional data.
Key concepts here are ridge regression, regularization techniques. Discuss how to choose the regularization parameter. Common mistakes candidates make here are ignoring model evaluation metrics. Create a function to visualize linear regression results.
Visualization is key to understanding model fit. We use matplotlib to create a scatter plot and overlay the regression line. This helps evaluate how well the model captures the data trends. 8.
Key concepts here are data visualization, model interpretation. Mention potential visual enhancements like confidence intervals. Common mistakes candidates make here are ignoring the scale of input data. Write a function that evaluates regression model performance.
Model evaluation helps quantify accuracy. We'll compute metrics like RMSE and R-squared to indicate how well the model captures the underlying data structure. This informs further tuning.
Key concepts here are model evaluation metrics, performance assessment. Discuss potential pitfalls in interpreting metrics. Common mistakes candidates make here are relying solely on R-squared without considering residuals. Implement a function for lasso regression.
Lasso regression incorporates L1 regularization to promote sparsity, effectively selecting important features. This can simplify models by reducing overfitting and improving interpretability.
Key concepts here are lasso regression, feature selection. Highlight the choice of lambda value in lasso. Common mistakes candidates make here are using lasso without feature scaling. That concludes the interview.
Thank you, Harry.
Subscribe for more advanced interviews. For such content, do like, subscribe and share.